Hello, I'm Jen from Cakey Lulu's, brand ambassador for Prop Options, and in this video series I'm going to be telling you all about the Prop Options Clear Tier cake separator. The Clear Tier is a beautiful, fully enclosed acrylic box which is 100% food safe. It's made from ultra polished premium acrylic and has a flush fitting removable lid which allows you to either fill the clear tier or leave it empty for a floating illusion. With the biggest offering on the market, they're available in a huge range of sizes, both round and square, ranging from 4 inches to 12 inches in width and heights of 2, 4 and 6 inches tall. Prop Options also have a range of larger round clear tiers in sizes between 14 and 18 inches, which is perfect for larger cake designs and to use them as a cake stand. They're extremely strong and durable and will support the weight of large, heavy 4-5 tier cakes with ease while adding height and interest to your cake design. As long as you ensure to dowel your real cake tiers correctly, the clear tier will support even the heaviest of cakes. They're perfect for renting out or for pricing into the cake so your customers can keep it as a memento. They can even be used for storing their sugar flowers. So join me in my next video where I'll be showing you how to use your clear tier to make a show-stopping cake in a variety of different ways. Bye!